Are you looking to move beyond the limitations and shortcomings of vinyl and fiber cement? Here's why LP SmartSide Trim Siding is a smart, viable option for your next project. SmartSide is an engineered wood siding with natural wood grain texture that requires no special tools to install and is easy to work with throughout the build. SmartSide is lightweight and tough, can require less labor, and works and cuts like traditional wood. Unlike fiber cement, SmartSide resists cracking and is built to withstand extreme weather elements such as wind gusts up to 200 miles per hour and hail up to 1.75 inches in diameter. Best of all, LP SmartSide Trim Siding comes with our 550-year limited warranty and unparalleled service, which brings increased peace of mind for you and your customers. Durable and beautiful, LP SmartSide Trim Siding is the smart choice for your next project with LP, the proven leader in high-performance building solutions.